Hey, Nick here. Okay, so in the Mr. Gold on my first real test drive. Now, I've taken it around the block on dirt roads, but now I'm going to take it out on the highway. I got it licensed and insured, and I got a license plate on it. And so here we go. First gear, second gear, third gear. Kind of slips into third a little bit. Not really, but kind of. Not really, but kind of. What does that mean? It means that there's just a little tiny hesitation. That's what it means. But that probably will go away once driven. Driving it, let the seals heat up. Pretty nice day. It's a little windy. Radio works in this car, but I'm not going to play it right now. I want to hear the road and hear the car. Washed all the windows. Had to use a steel wool Brillo pad to clean the windows. They just had years of scum on them, you know. They came out nice. The glass in this car is very, very nice. It's in extremely good condition. The windows work. The driver's door is good. The others they work well. They work. They're just a little slow. They need to be lubed. Yep, third gear. The brakes are good. Yeah, this thing, brakes are real good. So we're going to turn right here and go on Judge Orr. Hit passing gear? No. Can feel I can hear the four barrels kick in. We're doing about 55, 60. It's going down the road real nice. The wind's kicking me. It's windy. Look at, no hands. Look, Ma, no hands. Going down the road dead straight, man. No, can't beat that. I'm pretty impressed with how well this car rides and drives. I put new shocks on the front. I haven't done the back yet. Can make a right on Curtis here. Blinkers work. Hey, there's a Hollywood stop. Sheriff. I don't have taillights on the left side. He's not turning around. First gear, second gear, third gear. Oh, it dumped right into third gear. Here, let's come to a stop. The brakes are really good on this car. Okay. First gear, second gear, third gear. Yeah, the shift points are a little quick. too soon. This probably has a transmodulator as well, I would imagine, like a Thunderbird. I don't know that much about it. They're building all these new homes over here. This is my backyard, kind of. My house is over there. We're headed south right now. This is south. There's east towards Kansas. And no, we're not in Kansas anymore, Toto. Look at this thing, man. Look at no hands. Dead straight. It's fading to the left, but that's the wind. It's getting ugly over the Rockies. Maybe it might rain or snow later today. Beautiful day though. It's quiet. I don't even hear the engine. It's very quiet. What a nice car, man. Very nice car. You can fall in love with this sucker. See, that's the problem with car guys. We fall in love with everything. Felt the downshifts. There's second, third. Yeah, it dumped right into third. It's not staying into second. On low acceleration. I'm taking it to the transmission shop today. It's got a couple leaks. I'm gonna have those fixed. They're pretty bad. I'm gonna have him service it. And maybe he can help the shift points, adjust the bands, because that's what they used to do in the day. When they serviced a transmission, you'd adjust the bands. So now we're headed west towards the Rockies. We just kind of went around the block. This is the first time I've driven this car on paved roads. First time. I'm impressed. Horn works well. The left blinker light works. Right blinker light works. Okay, now we're going back into my neighborhood, and oh, there's the mail lady. She's actually early today. And you know, there's no rattles. I can hear there's a hubcap in the trunk making some noise, but the car has no rattles. None of the windows are rattling. None of the doors are rattling. Nothing on the dash is rattling, and I'm on a dirt road. Pretty tight. What a neat car, man. I love the smell in here. That musty, mildewy smell. I don't know, I love it. Smells like an old car. Here's my house. All right, let's take a look. Oh, I had it polished. It's looking pretty good compared to what it was. Yeah, the paint's history, but still. I had it polished, came out, look at, nice and shiny, kinda. Hey, it looks better than it did, man. I think it looks pretty damn cool. The patina's awesome. Look at how nice the fins came out. Come on, man. Look at that. Obviously, the sides of the car are better than the top. The top takes the damage. Roof came out beautiful. It's nice and smooth. Fat Panda! Dun dun dun. Hi, kitty. Hey, hi, kitty. Okay, that's it. Say bye to Fat Panda. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like. Hit the like button, please. It helps. Subscribe if you haven't, and comment. I answer them all. Thank you.